Abs. The amount of videos on abs on YouTube is insane. Every health or fitness related channel made a video on this subject. We decided to give our opinion on it. Did you know that everyone has abs? We all have abs. The only difference is, some people have a layer of fat on top of them, so they are not visible. That's why today, in the third episode of Build It with Science, we decided to talk about the actual ways to build your abs and make them visible. In today's episode of Build It with Science, we will be talking firstly about how to make your abs visible and burn your belly fat, and then we will talk about the best exercises when it comes to building strong abs. Before talking about the exercises, we should first understand that we can't choose where to lose fat. If you have belly fat, doing crunches or any other abs exercises will not make you lose that fat. We can't target where we want to lose fat specifically. The body loses fat generally, and not specifically. For example, if you want to lose chest fat, doing push-ups or any other pecs exercises will not help. The best way to lose fat is first, a healthy diet, second, designing a proper workout plan that consists of both cardio like jogging or cycling, and resistance training like lifting weights or bodyweight exercises. Don't do crunches every day thinking that will make you lose belly fat and have visible abs. Instead, go on a caloric deficit, which means you should consume 500 fewer calories than your daily needs, and do both cardio and intense training. Let's talk briefly about how to diet and work out properly. First of all, calculate how many calories you need daily to maintain your weight. To do that, you can use an app or a website. There are plenty of them. Just type that in Google, you should find one there. Then, start consuming 500 fewer calories than the amount that the website or the app tells you. There are no specific foods that will help you lose weight really. As long as you consume 500 fewer calories, you should be alright. For the workout part, design a proper regular plan that consists of both resistance training and cardio. For example, you can start the week by resistance training, and then the next day you can do cardio, and then start over. Or, you can do them on the same day. It really depends on your schedule. If you're confused, you can hire a personal trainer, or you can just subscribe to us. Get to the good stuff and start talking about exercises that can help you develop and build strong abs. We will mention both compound movements and isolation ones. We will start by the first exercise, which is squats. Yes, squats. Squats will not just build your legs, but will also give your abs a tough time because they work as stabilizers during the movement. You can perform them with weights preferably, if not, you can do bodyweight squats. Squats are also great for fat loss, which can help make your abs visible. That means squats can build your legs, abs, and at the same time help you lose any extra unwanted fat. The way to perform them is easy. Make sure to look forward with an upright neck and a tight core. Tighten your abs while performing them, and go down slowly below parallel, then push yourself explosively back up. 2. The plank. This exercise is amazing. You probably love this one and hate it at the same time, but you also probably have been performing it wrong your whole life. Most people perform the forearm variation. Don't do that variation, it's easier. Instead, perform the standard plank. Instead of placing your forearms on the floor, plant your hands directly under your shoulders slightly wider than shoulder width apart like you're about to do a push-up. Squeeze your glutes to stabilize the body. Don't look up, instead look at a point about a foot beyond your hands. Hold the position as long as possible. Trust me, it will burn. 3. Mountain climber. This one is great for both abs development and fat loss. The way to perform it is easy. You want to get into the plank position as we said before. Get down on the floor on your hands and extend your legs. Place your hands directly under your shoulders as if you're trying to perform a push-up. Now, pull one knee up and in toward your midsection. Bend your knee as you pull it up, bring it forward in a smooth motion. Don't let your knees touch the floor once you start performing the motion. Once your knee is raised, contract your abs and hold them for better activation. Then, repeat the motion with your other knee. Keep alternating the movement with both knees as long as possible. This exercise works your abs, quadriceps, glutes, while the chest and delts work as stabilizers. 4. Alternating side crunches. Lie on your back. Keeping your torso straight, bend your knees and bring them to one side so they are resting on the floor. Bring your knees back up to the center and down to the other side. Clasp your hands together behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the floor in a crunch motion. Keep your shoulders even as if you are doing a regular crunch. Lift your shoulders and crunch again. Repeat, alternating sides. This one targets both your abs and obliques, with the obliques being the primary muscle group targeted and the abs being the secondary. 5. The fifth and final exercise is also for the obliques. It's called the alternating crunch up. This exercise targets both the abs and obliques. Lay down on your back, bend your knees, and look directly up at the sky. Use the abdominal and oblique muscles to lift your back off the ground. As you lift your chest towards the sky, bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Perform the motion again, but this time bringing your right elbow to your left knee. Repeat, alternating sides. In conclusion, we all have abs, and if yours aren't visible, you should focus on making them visible, instead of doing crunches daily, thinking that you can lose fat. Making them visible requires losing your belly fat by consuming fewer calories than your daily needs, and burning the excessive amount of calories stored in your body through resistance training and cardio. The 5 exercises we mentioned are great for overall abs and obliques development and strength. We hope you find this video helpful. Do you agree with some of the points made in the video? Or do you disagree? Let us know in the comments. Also, feel free to share your thoughts with us or ask us anything in the comments below. We read and answer all the comments here on our channel. Very few people make it to the end of our videos. If you did, please like and share the video with someone that might find it helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive a notification whenever we post a new video. And remember, keep it healthy and take care.